Everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do from Home Depot. I ordered it online. It is a Milwaukee tool, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so this is just going to be a quick, we're going to open the box, we're going to see what's in it. Quick look. Ordered it from Home Depot. Bunch of packaging. There's some more packaging. Alright, so we got the battery. So this is what I picked up. This is the Super Sawzall 2722-20. It has the speed switch as well as the orbital function, and I got a free 8.0 high output battery with it. The purchase I made, I did some Instagram photos on it, as well as I believe I did a quick video on it. You basically pay $249 for the recip and you get a free 8.0 high output battery. Battery is part number 48-11-1880. So the next video, we're just going to do the unboxing. We're going to take everything out, see what everything came with. This did not come with a charger, or I believe it didn't come with a bag either. I think it's just tool. Yeah, battery and charger not included, tool only. So it might not have a bag, I guess we'll see. Stick around for the next video. We'll do the unboxing then. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.